Good morning, children. So, in today's class, we are going to begin chapter number 6, lines and angles. So, before that, let us learn some concepts. So, the first one, this one is the pair of adjacent angles you will meet in this chapter. So, these are the two rays. So, OA, OB, followed by the rays. Say this is C, this is D. Now, here, OC divides the angle AOD into two parts. Ray OD divides the angle COB into two parts. Now, so 2B means adjacent angle. It should have a common arm with a common vertex. So, in this angle AOD, OC is the common arm followed by the common vertex O. That is why angle 1 and 3 they are the adjacent angles because they have got a common arm with the common vertex O. Secondly, here OD is the common ray with the common vertex O. That is why angle 1 and 2 they are the adjacent angles. So, secondly, here reflex angle. And angle whose measure lies between 180 and 360 degree, it is called reflex angle. So, to be reflex angle, it will need the measure of the angle lying between 180 and 360 degree. Now, in this angle ABC, this is point B. So, ABC, so this angle is x degree. So, this angle measures is less than 90 degree. This is the acute angle. So, that means it lies between 0 and 90 degree. So, this angle lies between 0 and 90 degree. 0 and 90. So, this x is the acute angle, which means angle ABC. Now, you leave this angle and you take this part. This part will be more than 180 degree less than 360 degree. So, this part is called the reflex angle ABC, or means reflex angle ABC, that means this angle, or reflex angle X, that means angle X is ABC. Angle ABC equals to X. So, angle X plus this will be called also reflex angle X. That means reflex angle X means leaving this X degree to take this part. This will be called the reflex angle. So you add these two, so this plus this angle. So you have taken whole angle around this point. So this measure equals to 360 degree. This is called complete angle. Complete angle. So you know that complete angle means the sum of the measure of the angles around the point. So around this point you took all the angles and you got 360 degree. So this part is called angle X. That is the acute angle. It lies between 0 and 90 degree. And in leaving this angle X, this part is called reflex angle X or reflex angle ABC. So you add these two, you will get the total sum 360 degree. Now coming to the next one, here the two lines AB and CD. So AB and CD meet at point O. So you have got the pairs of opposite angles. By joining these two lines at point O, you have got two pairs of opposite angles. So 1 and 2 they are one pair of opposite angles, and 3 and 4 they form the second pair of opposite angles. Now these two pairs of opposite angles, that is 1 and 2, they are vertically opposite angles because these two lines meet at the point O, which means angle 1 equals to angle 2 and angle 3 equals to angle 4. So why? Because they form a pair of vertically opposite angles. So in short, you write vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles. So here, when the two lines will meet at a point O, then the pair of the opposite angles that is formed are called the vertically opposite angles. So here 1 and 2 they are equal. Supposing it is 80 degree, this will be 80 degree and this will be 100 degree. So 100 and 100. So they are now equal. So these angles are called the vertically opposite angles because they are formed by the intersection of two lines at the point O. So 1 equals to 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4. So they form a pair of vertically opposite angles. Now coming to the next one. So here you have got a straight line, say AB. This is a straight line AB, and there is a point O on the line AB. So through the line OB, so there is a ray that is say OA. Now this is the straight line, and by giving one ray through O, that is the OA ray, you have got two adjacent angles. Because they are called adjacent, because they have this common arm and the common vertex. So this common arm divides the angles on the two parts. So 1 and 2. Now these two angles, if you join it, you will get the total sum 180 degree. So if the sum of the two adjacent angles forms a straight line, now these two angles you have joined and you have got a straight line. So this is called the linear pair of angles. So pair, that means two angles. So 1 plus 2 you will get the total sum 180 degrees. So this is called linear pair. You have got in class 7 and 8 also. Now these are the concepts you will get in this chapter number 6. Let us take one theorem of this chapter, theorem. So it is given that if two lines intersect each other at a point, then prove that the vertically opposite angles are So now this is the first theorem. So here the statement is given: if two lines intersect each other at a point, then prove that the vertically opposite angles are equal. So let us take two lines, say here A, B and C. So it is A, B, C and D. So they say meet at this point O. Now if the lines A, B and CD intersect each other at a point, so that meeting point is O, you have to prove that the vertically opposite angles are equal. So these opposite pairs of angles are called the vertically opposite angles. So they should be equal. So you have got two pairs. One is this with this, second one is these two opposite angles. Let us give this as 1, this is 2, this will be 3, and let us take this as 4. Now here, so the statement they have given in this theorem, what you will do is, first you are going to write the proof, that is the given part. Whatever they are telling from this, you will write that is called the given part. And then secondly, you will write to prove. What you are going to prove? The vertically opposite angles are equal, which means angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4. Then you are going to verify it. That is, you are going to show it. That is called proof. P-R-O-O-F. Now, let the lines AB and CD. So AB and CD intersect each other at point O. So let the lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O. Then in that case they have told you to prove the vertically opposite angles are equal. So these are called the vertically opposite angles. Now to prove. So the vertically opposite angles must be equal. So here angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4, or angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. You can write that way also, or angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. That way also you can write. But taking the numbers, that will be too easier. Now proof. Now you take a line. Say you take this line AB. On this line AB, the ray OC falls on this line AB. So the ray OC and the ray OD, they falls on this line AB. So you have taken the ray OC falling on the line AB. In that case, these two are the adjacent angles. So you took the line AB. So this is AB, and you have taken this ray OC. So you got two angles, 1 and 3. So they will form the straight line. So they are called the linear pair. So any two adjacent angles forming a straight line, that will be called the linear pair. So now here AB is a line. AB is a line, and ray OC lies on it. So this is the line, this is the ray, this ray falls on the line AB. So as a result, you will get these two adjacent angles. So 1 and 3. So this is the line, this is the ray. So these are the two adjacent angles. So angle 1 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. Now you will tell the reason also. Reason is also a must. So this will be called linear pair. Linear means the straight line. Linear means the straight line. So linear pair. Let us put this as equation number 1. Now you take, say you take the line CD. CD is a line. So CD is the line. So now you can take OB or means OA. Let us take OB. And ray OB and ray OB. This is the line. This is the ray, and ray OB lies on CD. So therefore, now this is the line, this is the ray, these are the two adjacent angles. So angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. This is called linear pair. So the same reason, linear pair. Put it as equation number 2. Now, you can write similarly. So after just telling the 2 points, the third one you can just use similarly. That means in the same way, you can take say 2 plus 4 or 1 plus 4. So say 2 plus 4 equals to 180 degree. So this is equation number 3. So the same reason, linear pair. Now from 1 and 2 you will get, from equation 1 and equation number 2 we get. Now you compare, this is equation number 1, this one is equation number 2. Now comparing these two, so on the right side you have got the total is the same, 180 degree. So if these two are same, that means these two totals are also equal. So 1 plus 3, so in place of 180 degree, you can write 1 plus 3. So here, so 2 plus 3 equals to angle 1 plus 3. So angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to angle 1 plus angle 3, angle 3. So by comparing 1 and 2, so this 3 got cancelled. You have got angle 2 equals to angle 1. So these two are equal. So the first one is equal. Then now you take 2 and 3. So from 2 and 3, equation 2 is this is equation number 3. So from equation 2 and 3, so we get now. So these two total on the right side, they are all given as 180 degree. So in this place, I can write 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 4 equals to angle 2 plus 3. So in this place, I can write this value because it is 180 degrees. So now angle 2 plus angle 4 equals to, so in place of 180 degrees, so from 2 and 3, you can write 2 plus 3. So in place of 180 degrees. So it will be angle 2 plus angle 3. Now 2 got cancelled both sides. So you got here angle 4 is equal to angle 3. So you got 4 equals to, so thus it is proved. So in this way you will do. So first you have taken the line, any line AB. You can begin with line AB or line C. So supposing you have taken this line AB, you can take the ray OB also. In that case, this plus this 180. Next you take the line CD and you take the ray OB or OA. If you take OA, you will get 1 plus 4, 180 degree linear pair. Then you take similarly any one you take. Then you compare the 3, you will get it. That 1 equals to 2, 3 equals to 4. That is the vertically opposite angles are equal. Proved. Let us begin exercise 6.1. 6.1. So it is number 1. So you just write the given part. What is given in the question? So the given part you will always write and to find or to prove. So here they have given that the lines AB and CD, lines AB and CD intersect at O, angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70 degree and angle BOD equals to 40 degree. Now to find, so to find angle BOE plus, so and reflex angle, so reflex angle COE. So the figure is given. So here the lines AB and CD intersect at O. So these two lines AB and CD meet at O such that AOC, so this angle is given AOC, so this angle plus BOE, so this angle is given. Now they have given the total sum, so sum of these two angles, so AOC plus BOE, they have given 70. So they have not given COE. So you will have to find COE, because if you do not find COE, you will not get reflex angle COE, because reflex angle COE means the angle that lies between 180 degree and 360 degree. So now if this one is reflex angle COE, that means this will be called reflex angle COE. That means you will deduct this from the complete angle, that is 360 minus this angle. So 360 complete angle minus COE, you will get reflex angle COE. That is, this is the reflex angle COE from here to here. So this part. So that is why you will find COE. Then BOE. So you will find BOE, this angle. Now, first. So here they have given to find. You can write here determination because you are not proving. You are just going to find. Determination. So this is the straight line and these three angles now. These three angles. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle, you will get 180 degree. Now there is more than two angles. You can say as the straight angle. So now angle AOC. So AOC plus angle COE. So COE, this angle plus BOE. So this and this and this. So angle BOE equals to 180 degree. You can say the straight angle. So straight, S is straight angle. So it is angle. Denoted symbolically. So straight angle. Now AOC plus BOE. So they have given 70. They have given us 70. So AOC BOE. So angle AOC plus angle BOE. So this plus this plus COE. So plus angle COE equals to 180. Now, so AOC plus angle BOE. So these two total sum they have given 70 degrees. So 70 plus. So in place of this 70 plus COE equals to 180 degree. So this implies angle COE equals to 180 minus, so you take it that side 70 equals to 110 degree. So this one is 110. So you got here 110 degree. Now you need reflex angle COE. So since we have got COE, so this part is 110. So this will be called the reflex angle COE. So minus this, minus 110, then this part will be the reflex angle. So therefore reflex angle COE equals to, how to get now? So the total sum around this point, that is point O, you will get all the total sum 360 complete angle. So 360 minus this angle, that is COE. So angle COE. So from the whole total sum, that is 360 minus this angle, you will get the reflex angle COE. So equals to 360 minus 110. So you have got 250 degrees. So the measure lies between 180 and 360 degree. So this is the measure of reflex angle COE, 250 degree. Now we need BOE. BOE. So you need this angle. So now here, so to get BOE, how to get BOE? So from so now how to get BOE? AOC plus BOE plus COE, you will get 180 degree from here. And here they have given BOE. Here they have given BOD. So here BOD is given. So this one is 40 degree. Now here you got 110. Now this is the straight line. This is the straight line. So now these are the three angles. So you will get 180 degrees. So this angle you got 110. You are to find BOE, and this one is given as 40 degrees. So BOD. Now, so angle COE plus, so this triangle, this and this, so this is the straight line and you will add these three angles, so you will total sum 180 degrees. So COE plus angle BOE, so BOE plus angle BOD equals to 180 degree. So this is the straight angle. Now COE, that is 110, plus BOE you will find, then BOD. So BOD, so that is given as 40 degree. So 40, you have got 180 degree. Now adding these two angles, you will get 150 degree plus angle BOE equals to 180 degree. So therefore angle BOE equals to 180 degree. Then you take this one that side, if the sign will change, so it will be 30 degree. So now this is the straight line CB. On this line CB, there are two rays OE, OB, and these are the three adjacent angles. So by adding these three angles, you have got 180 degree. So by finding out COE, you got 110, and here BOD is given as 40 degree. So you have got BOE using the linear pair axiom. Let us take, say, question number 2. So here again given the lines XY and MN intersect at O such that angle POY equals to 90 degree and A is to B and A is to B equals to 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3. Now to find C, now to find measure of angle C. So here the figure is given. So here the lines XY and MN. So XY and the line MN meet at point O such that angle POY. So POY 90 degree. That means if this one is 90 degree, this also will be 90 degree perpendicular. So if one side is 90, so the other side also 90 degree. Then A is to B. So A is to B. Measure of these two angles they have given in the ratio. So 2 is to 3. So this will be 2 part, this will be 3 part. 2 is to 3. Find the measure of angle C. So you will find measure of angle C. So this one is the C, angle C. Now let us take the ratios as 2 is to 3. We will take A as twice x, B as 3x. Now here solution. So let us write determination, because you are not proving, that is why we write determination, just you are going to find. So let angle A is twice x, and angle B say it is thrice x. Angle B is thrice x. 2 is to 3. 2 parts, 3 parts. So it is 2 parts and 3 parts. Now this is the straight line and this is the ray that lies on xy. Therefore these are the adjacent angles. So these two total sum you will get 180 degree. So now here angle POX. So POX, this angle, plus angle POY. So POY equals to 180 degree, because this is the straight line and these two adjacent angles forms the straight line. So it will be linear pair. Linear pair. Now POX. So POX. So you will get A and B. Angle A and B. So here A is twice. So this angle plus this angle you will get POX. So it will be twice x. Angle A, so it is twice x. Angle B, they will be thrice x. So plus thrice x. POX. So twice x plus thrice x. Plus POY. POY is given as 90 degree. So it is given 90 equals to 180 degree. So now twice x plus thrice x, it will be 5x equals to 180. So you take it that side, it will be 90. So this implies x equals to 90. So you got here 90 degree divided by 5. So 5. You have got 18 degree. So 80 degree. Now since you need C, that means this is the ray and on this line there is a ray OX. That is why B plus C you will get 180 degree linear pair. So no need to find A, you just need to find B. So that if you get B, then by B plus C, angle B plus angle C, you will get 180 degree due to linear pair, because this is the straight line and these are the two adjacent angles. So now therefore B is equal to, so angle B is thrice x. So it will be thrice into x. X is 80. So you have got 54 degree, and so here MN is a straight line and here the ray OX lies on MN. So B plus C. So angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So it is due to linear pair. So it is linear pair. Linear pair. So from B you have got 54. So B is 54. So in place of B, 54 plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So that means angle C equals to 180 degree minus 54. So you will get 6 to 126 degree. So this is your answer. So measure of angle C is 126 degrees. So this angle you will get 126. Let us take question number. So 3 is simple. You will be given as homework. So now it is question number 4. Given x plus y equals to w plus z. W plus z. X plus y equals to w plus z. Now the proof. AOB is a straight line. So here the drawing is given. So here they have given that x plus y equals to w plus z. So the sum of these two angles x plus y will be equal to w plus z because they are the linear pair. So these are the two adjacent angles. This is the another pair of adjacent angles on the line AB on this either side of the line AB. Now to be the straight line AOB, to be a straight line, you will have to show that the sum of the angles either x plus y 180 degree or w plus z 180 degree. Because when you get like this, or say you get in this way, whichever way you get, say this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2. So you add these two, you have got 1 plus 2 180 degree. Why you have got this 180 degree? Because this is the straight line. Now you should prove that the sum of the measures of any two adjacent angles. Now this and this will be the adjacent, and this is the another pair of adjacent. Either you prove w plus z equals to or x plus y equals to 180 degree. So in that case, the line will be a straight line. Because to be the straight line, the sum of the measures of either pair of adjacent angle should be 180 degree. That is why you show either x plus y equals to 180 degree or w plus z equals to 180 degree. So anyway, that is why you will, to be a line, you need to show the sum of the either pair of the adjacent angles should be equal to two right angles. Now your proof. Now you are going to establish this fact that how A or B will be the line. That is called the proof. Establishing the truth of this statement. So now this is the point O. So all the angles around the point, if you add, so x plus y plus z plus w, you will get 360 degree because complete angles around this point O, all the angles. So now x plus y plus w plus z. So x plus y plus w plus z equals to 360 degree. It is the complete angle. Complete angle. Because angles around this point O, all the angles around this point O, so they will be always 360 degree. Now here they have given that these two pairs are equal. The sum of the pairs of the angles x plus y equals to the sum of the pairs of the angles w plus z. Now you can replace anyone. So let us keep x plus y. Supposing I have kept x plus y, or you can just change this x plus y by w plus, so w plus z. So in place of w plus z, I will take x plus y because they are equal. So w plus z equals to x plus. So in place of w plus z, it will be x plus y equals to 360 degree. Now here x plus x, you will get twice x. Plus y, plus into plus plus. So y plus y, you will get twice y equals to 360 degree. So taking these two common, so 2 is common, so x plus y, 2 into x, 2x, 2 into y, twice y is equal to 360. So you will get x plus y equals to 360 divided by 2 degrees. So this 2. So by cancelling, you have got 180 degree. Now x plus y, the sum of the adjacent angles, you have got 180 degree. If the sum of the measures of the adjacent angle is two right angles, in that case the line will be a straight line. So this plus this 180. Because if you take like this also, they are the adjacent, but you will not get the total sum 180 degrees. So they will be less than 90 degree. It will lie between 0 and 90 degree, or you take in this way obtuse angle. So now these are the two adjacent angles, but you will not get the total sum 180 degree. That is why now these two angle total sum is 180. So therefore angle AOB, so that is x plus y. X plus y, that is this angle, that is at O. So AOB. So equals to 180 degrees. So it is a straight angle. Straight angle. So if this is the straight angle, that means all the 3 points lie on the same line. That is, they are the collinear points. So all these 3 points lie on the same line. That is, so since they are straight angles, so that is, so therefore AOB is a line. So therefore AOB is a line. So it is proved. So you can replace, say, I have changed W plus Z. You can keep W plus Z, and in place of X plus Y, you can take W plus Z also. That time W plus Z will come. So W plus Z. Again, these are the two adjacent. So that time also angle AOB you will get straight angle, 180 degree. So if AOB is a straight angle, that means all the 3 points AOB that will lie on the line. That means they are called the collinear points. If 3 or more points lie on the same line, they are called the collinear points. That is why AOB is a line. Let us take number 5. Here given is that POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray, line between the rays OP and OR. Now to prove, angle ROS equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Now here the drawing is also given. This is the line PQ. This is OR perpendicular. So it is given OR perpendicular. Then OS. This is ray OS. So up till now, till question number 4, that was very simple, and this question, so you need practice, but the sum will be easier. So you see, first the given part you will have to give more importance, because from this part only you are going to get the proof. So POQ is a line. So POQ is a line. Line means it should have 2 arrows at both ends. Then ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. So ray OR perpendicular to PQ. So this part will be 90 degree. Both the parts, perpendicular means all this part will be 90 degree. So POR ROQ. So they are now 90 degree perpendicular. OS is another ray lying between. So OS is the next ray that will lie between the rays OP and OR. So this is OP, this is OR. So between these two rays, OS is the another ray. So lying between the rays OP and OR. Now you will have to prove that angle ROS. So ROS. So this angle ROS is half of angle QOS. So QOS minus angle POS. So POS. So ROS. So this angle, that is ROS, will be half of the difference of the angles between QOS and POS. Now here you will need practice. lots of practice. So here, let us begin the proof. P R double F. These two are not same. This is P R V. That's the proof. Now you are going to establish the fact. So that is called proof. P R double F. Now let us take this angle. You can prove in so many ways. I will be doing it the most easiest way. So you take first QoS. QoS. So let us take angle QoS. Now you take, so QoS has got two adjacent angle, that is QOR. So QOR, so QoS, so this angle is the sum of the two adjacent angle, this and this. QOR plus ROS, you will get QoS, so this angle. So it will be angle QOR plus angle ROS. So this plus this, you will get QoS. Now, angle QoS, because you need QoS, so it is QOR. So QOR, how much it will be? 90 degree, because it is given that ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Perpendicular. So here both the angles are 90 degree. So now here this will be, so here QOR, so QOR, so this is 90 degree. So 90 plus you need ROS. So you keep it as you need ROS in the proof part. So you just keep it ROS. This is equation number 1. Next you take POS. So you do QoS. Next you take POS. So again, angle POS. So now POS. So here POS. How to get this POS? So from POR minus this angle. So from this whole angle POR, deduct this angle. From this part, deduct this angle. You will get POS. So POS. So POS, how to get? So POR, this complete angle minus this angle. So you have deducted this part. So the remaining part is this angle. So POS. So it will be POR minus, so ROS. So minus angle ROS. So POR minus ROS, you will get POS. Now angle POS equals to, so POR. So POR is how much? You will get 90, because it is given that the ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. So perpendicular means on both sides the sum of the measure is 90 degree. So you will get POR also 90 degree. So this will be 90 degree. So 90 minus angle ROS. Just to keep it. Now you see ROS is here. Now you got QoS this much, POS you have got this much. Now between these two angles you will do minus, because QoS minus POS. So QoS minus POS, that means subtracting 1 and 2. So equation 1 minus equation 2. So equation 1 is this, minus equation 2 we get. So now QoS, so it is QoS minus equation number 2. 1 minus, so 1 minus 2. So angle POS equals to, again on the right side, equation 1 minus equation 2. So it will be 90 degree plus angle ROS, equation 1 minus equation 2. So this is 2. Now from this, so it is QoS minus POS. So you just keep it. So angle QoS minus POS equals to, now simplify the bracket, 90 degree plus angle ROS minus 90 degree, minus into minus plus angle ROS. Now plus 90 minus 90 cancel. So this will give angle QOS minus angle POS equals to, so angle ROS plus angle ROS. So ROS plus angle ROS. You will get twice angle ROS. Then how much is ROS? So now angle ROS is, so this 2 will go to the denominator. So if you cross multiply, you will get twice angle ROS. If you just cross multiply. So into this angle QOS minus angle POS. So it is proved. So this sum, so this particular geometrical sum, just you do this way, or you can do it so many ways, and there are so many ways of doing the sum. So that is why you take QOS first. So this is QOS. So these two, the sum of these two adjacent angle. So this plus this, and here both the side is 90 degrees. So it is given. So it is 90. So QOR 90 degree. So plus ROS. So it is given ROS. Keep it. Next you take POS. So to get this POS, only with this part, how to get POS? So from POR, from this angle POR minus this angle. So you, so from this whole angle till R, deduct ROS, you will get POS. So then POR, so POR 90 degree. It is 90 perpendicular. So you go. So now this minus this. Why we did minus? QOS minus POS, because there is minus. So QOS minus POS. So QOS minus POS. So equation 1 minus 2. So this minus this equals to equation 1 minus equation 2. Then you simplify the bracket. So that proved. The last sum, question number 6. So it is given that xy is produced to point P such that ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. So it is given that angle XYZ equals to 64 degree. Now to find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. So here the drawing is not given, so you just read down the equation properly. XY is produced to point P. So XY is produced to point P. Say this is X. This is say Y. Produced. XY is produced to point P. Such that ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. So bisects means the ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. So it means that the ray YQ will divide the angle Y, that is ZYP, into two equal parts. That is called bisect. Dividing it into two equal parts. So now XYZ 64. This one is acute angle XYZ. So don't take this way. This will be obtuse angle. So it's 64 x, y, z. So you take it this way, x, y, z. Say it is 64. 64. So x, y, z. This one is acute angle. So acute. So you can't take this way. That will be obtuse angle. So that will be incorrect. Then ray YQ bisects. That means dividing the angle y into two equal parts. So ZYP. So YQ. So here YQ bisects angle ZYP. So ZYP. So this ray divides this angle ZYP into two equal parts. So these two measures are equal. Equal. Why? Because the ray YQ bisects, dividing the angle ZYP into two equal measures. So if this one is x, this also will be x because bisects, dividing into equal halves. So these two parts will be, supposing this one is 100, so it will 50, 50. So that is called bisects. Now you will find XYQ. So XYQ, you will find this one. So XYQ, the first angle is this. Now, as these two measures are equal, we will take them as x. So here, determination. Determination. So now, this is the straight line and these are the rays. They form the adjacent angles on this line. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle, you will get 180 degree. So here angle ZYQ, angle ZYQ equals to angle PYQ, PYQ. Why? Since why these two are equal? Because YQ bisects, dividing into two equal halves. So angle ZYP. So ZYP. So that is why these two are equal. So this equals to this angle. So this ray YQ divides angle ZYP into two equal halves. So these two measures are equal. So YQ bisects angle ZYP. Let angle ZYQ equals to angle PYQ equals to x. Supposing they are now equal, taken as x. Now angle, so XYZ, this angle plus angle ZYQ, this angle plus this PYQ equals to 180 degree. So it is straight angle. Straight angle. So now XYZ, so it is given 64 degrees, 64. So 64 XYZ plus ZYQ is x, PYQ is x. So these two are x plus x. So x plus x, 180. So this will be twice x plus twice x equals to 180. So you take this 64, that side, sign will change. It will be 6, it will be 7, 160 degree. So this implies x equals to, so twice x equals to 160. So 160 divided by 2 equals to, so cancelling you will get 58. 58. So x means 58. That means each of the measures of these two angles are 58 and 58. Now, therefore, angle XYQ equals to, so here XYQ means XYZ, angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. So ZYQ equals to XYZ. So this plus this angle, you got XYQ. So you got XYZ 64 plus ZYQ. So here ZYQ means x. So your x is therefore angle ZYQ equals to angle PYQ equals to x means 58. So you got 58. So equals to 222. Now reflex angle QYP. So QYP means leaving this QYP. So QYP alone is 58. So reflex, it will be more than 180 degrees. So this will be called reflex angle QYP. So leaving this QYP, so that is 58. So the reflex angle QYP means 360 degrees, the complete angle minus 58, you will get the remaining part. This is the reflex angle QYP. So minus 58. So from 360 degree, that is the complete angle, minus this angle, so this QYP, you will get reflex angle QYP. So reflex angle QYP equals to 360 degree. So that is the complete angle minus angle QYP. Angle QYP. So QYP equals to 360 degree minus. So QYP you got 58. So you have got 203. 302 degree. So this QYP measure is 58. You need reflex angle QYP, which means the measure should be between 180 and 360 degrees. So this is called the reflex angle QYP. So from the total angle minus 58, you have got the reflex angle QYP. So today we have come to the end of the first exercise. So in the next class we will be doing the next exercise, but need lots of practice. Thank you.